Ladies and gentlemen, good evening. Oh, that was a bit of a quiet response. Ladies and gentlemen, good evening. Yeah, I've got one person here with me. Okay, very good evening to you all. As we're about to embark on this evening's program, I'm going to kindly invite everyone that's gathered on that side there to come and join us just in the central area to make sure that you're getting the best view of absolutely everything here today. Because of course we're here for a very, very special reason. As the F1 fraternity descends upon Singapore for the Singapore Grand Prix, what better week than to hold a stunning global debut of the Mercedes AMG GT63 Pro 4MATIC Plus Motorsport Collector's Edition. Now, that Motorsport Collector's Edition, I'll also refer to that as the MSC, but we've also got the launch of the Mercedes AMG GT63 Pro 4MATIC Plus. So, a lot to get through, a lot of things to look at, and I'm sure you guys are very eager to get to the cars. My name is Kelly Latimer. I'll be guiding you through the whole process here this evening, so hopefully you guys have had a drink, managed to get a few bites in as we stand by to embark on the rest of this evening's program. Now, before we actually do get to the cars, there is only one way to kickstart us off. So I would love to get you guys to put your glasses down and give a warm round of applause as we welcome President and CEO of Mercedes-Benz Singapore. Ooh, ladies and gentlemen, our President and CEO of Mercedes-Benz Singapore, Mr. Marcel Perez.
Ladies and gentlemen, a warm welcome from my side, and thank you for taking the time for joining us this evening. Today is my first opportunity to meet many of you, and I have to say I'm truly excited to finally have the opportunity to get to know you better and to be in connect with you throughout the evening. I've had the chance already to talk to some of you, and I think that we've had very good conversations. Also, remarks, points taken on my height, versus my predecessor, and some other discussions around how we continue in Singapore, and I'm waiting for these discussions to continue because I'm very excited about this. Today is a very special moment for all of us, not only for me, but for all of us at Mercedes-Benz Singapore, because we are about to reveal two of the latest members of the Mercedes AMG GT family. The first model that we're going to see tonight is the Mercedes AMG GT63 4MATIC Plus that makes its launch here in Singapore for the first time. This car pays tribute to its heritage and feels right at home at the racetrack with emotional power delivery, handling and sound, while at the same time you can enjoy passionate performance with everyday capabilities. all thanks to the AMG Active Ride Control Suspension, Active Aerodynamics, and the AMG Performance 4MATIC. With great pride, we also are delighted to be the host of the global debut of the exclusive Mercedes-AMG GT63 Pro 4MATIC Plus Motorsport Collector's Edition. A personal highlight to me is the close link to the Mercedes-AMG Petronas F1 team. Even the base obsidian black metallic color is inspired by the team's current Formula One racing car. The same applies to the hand-painted Mercedes stars on the rear flanks. Ladies and gentlemen, there could truly not be any better place for this global launch than here in the heart of the most iconic locations in Singapore, and no better time than during the Formula One Singapore Grand Prix. Without any further ado, I present to you the newest members of the Mercedes-AMG GT family.
Ladies and gentlemen, presenting the Mercedes-AMG GT63 4MATIC Plus. And now, presenting the Mercedes-AMG GT63 Pro 4MATIC Plus MSC. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, presenting the global debut of the Mercedes-AMG GT63 Pro Motorsport Collector's Edition, as well as the launch of the Mercedes-AMG GT63 Pro. Now, please join me in welcoming Mr. Dennis Anthony back to the center, our product management at Mercedes-Benz Singapore, to tell us more about these two beautiful cars.
Oh yes. Alright, I can see everyone's gathered over here. Can I please invite everyone back to the center? There'll be plenty of photo taking opportunities in a bit. But can I please invite everybody back to the center? Yeah, we'll go through a little bit about the vehicles. So, alright, without further ado, let's begin. Alright, so very good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the world of Mercedes-AMG. My name is Dennis and I'm from the product management team at Mercedes-Benz Singapore. Today, we are thrilled to showcase two exceptional vehicles that epitomize our commitment to performance and luxury. The Mercedes-AMG GT63 4MATIC Plus to my left and the Mercedes-AMG GT63 Pro 4MATIC Plus Motorsport Collector's Edition, which is right here to my right. Let's begin with the GT63 4MATIC Plus first. Under the hood boasts a 4-liter V8 bi-turbo engine which delivers an impressive 585 horsepower and 800 Newton meters of torque. This powerhouse propels the vehicle from 0 to 100 in just 3.2 seconds and with a top speed of 315 kilometers per hour. The AMG Speed Shift transmission and the 4MATIC Plus all-wheel drive ensures an exhilarating driving experience at all times. performance and handling are at the core of the AMG GT63. The AMG ride control suspension offers superior handling and ride comfort. High-performance composite brakes ensure exceptional stopping power, while the AMG Performance exhaust system delivers a powerful sound that enhances the driving pleasure. Now, let's turn to the AMG GT63 Pro 4MATIC Plus Motorsport Collector's Edition. As part of the Formula One Singapore Grand Prix, Mercedes-AMG is proudly presenting this highly exclusive model. With numerous design elements and equipment details, it creates a close link to the Mercedes-AMG Petronas Formula One team. The obsidian black metallic color is inspired by the Formula One team's vehicle, and it is complemented by hand-painted silver Mercedes stars on the rear flanks and Petronas-colored decorative stripes. The 21-inch AMG forged wheels with matte black finish and Petronas-colored rim flanges, along with the AMG ceramic high-performance composite brake system, highlight its sporty character. The front axles feature 420mm brake discs, and the car rides on Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2R Cup tires, ensuring top-notch performance at all times. The standard AMG exterior carbon fiber package, which you will see around the vehicle, this includes the front splitter, the side seals, the diffuser, and the rear wing in high-quality carbon fiber, emphasizes the proximity to motorsport. The AMG fuel filler cap in silver chrome with AMG lettering further underscores the special status of this edition. Inside, the Motorsport Collector's Edition features Petronas color details throughout. For example, the black AMG Performance seats are upholstered in Petronas colored top stitching and embossed in AMG crest. The AMG door sill trims are illuminated also in the color of Petronas. The interior also includes the special 1 out of 200 edition badge in the center console, indicating the limited edition status, and each customer receives a customized edition specific AMG indoor car cover, protecting the vehicle from dust and scratches. The Mercedes-AMG GT63 Pro 4MATIC Plus Motorsport Collector's Edition is aimed at car enthusiasts and collectors who seek a particularly sporty driving experience, and of course, who are Formula One fans. With 612 horsepower from the 4-liter V8 bi-turbo engine, the aerodynamics which are finely tuned, and enhanced cooling systems, this offers unparalleled driving dynamics. And with that, thank you very much for your undivided attention, and I shall pass it back over to Kelly.
Well, thank you very much, Mr. Dennis Anthony. Let's give him a round of applause for explaining all the ins and outs. And with that, ladies and gentlemen, I would love to invite you to go and take a closer look at the cars. This is your moment. Pick your cars wisely. They are now available for you to view up close. And of course, I'm sure you'll be taken away by all these beautiful sights that you see in front of you. So feel free to now continue to explore both of these beauties, and of course the latest additions to our Mercedes-AMG GT family.